Namaskar. Hello, and I welcome you to my presentation. I am going to present a poem today. I myself, Mrs. Savita Rajendra Patil from SM Lohia High School, Kolhapur. I am going to present a poem, Basket Full of Moonlight. Standard 10th. Let us see the learning outcomes of the poem. First, students are able to listen attentively and understand the meaning of the poem. Second, students can analyze the content. Third, students understand the figures of speech. Fourth, students read the poem effectively. And fifth, students can tell their appreciation of the poem. Now, let us move on to my presentation. I am going to take you to my Zoom online class. Hello students. We are going to learn today a poem 1.3 Basket Full of Moonlight. Let us start with the chit chat activities. Question number 1. Did you like to hear bedtime stories when you were a child? Yes, who will tell? Prasad?
Yes, I did, teacher.
Yes, I did. How will you tell the complete answer in full sentence?
Yes, I like to hear bedtime stories when I am a child. I was a child.
Very good. I like to hear bedtime stories when I was a child. Who usually told you the bedtime stories? Yes, Dhairashil?
My grandparents and my school teachers usually told me a bedtime story.
Yes, very good. Who else will tell? Yes, Parth?
Tell me bedtime stories.
Yes, very good. Why did you like them? Why did you like the bedtime stories?
Some stories encourage us. They teach us courage, our culture. Some stories are comedy also. Therefore, their stories I like to hear.
ओके, दुसरं कोण बोलेल? धैर्यशील सांगणार उत्तर?
Oh,
Yes,
I like
धैर्यशील.
them
हाँ.
because I would get moral from them. My curiosity would increase.
Yes, my curiosity would increase. So those are the moral stories. Did you still like to hear those stories again? Yes, Prasad?
Yes, always.
Next question. Discuss in pairs and write what your father and mother do for your family. So as you are on a Zoom online class, I would like to ask you one by one what your father do for your family. The first one is given for you here. Father works hard to earn a living. As we know, father works hard to earn a living. आपल्या घरासाठी आपल्याला दररोजच्या जीवनासाठी लागणाऱ्या वस्तू आणण्यासाठी किंवा आपल्याला दररोज लागणारा खाण्यापिण्यासाठी वडील काम करत असतात. सो ही अर्न्स फॉर टू अर्न अ लिव्हिंग. राहणीमान व्यवस्थित व्हावं म्हणून ते आपल्यासाठी काम करत असतात. सो व्हॉट इज द सेकंड पॉइंट?
Maintains unity.
मेंटेन्स युनिटी. व्हेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट. क्विक.
Give us education.
गिव्ह अस एज्युकेशन. नेक्स्ट.
Earn money.
अर्न मनी. व्हेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट.
Help me with my homework.
Yes, help me in my homework. Next.
Support family.
very hard.
Supports family. Yes, he works very hard. Next one is for mother. Now what does your mother do for your family? First one is given here, keep the house clean. So mother tries to keep the house clean. Next point, what does she do for you?
Takes care of everyone.
Yes, takes care of everyone. Next.
Tasty foods.
Prepares tasty food. Next.
Bring vegetables and groceries, etc.
Brings vegetables and groceries, etc. Next.
Loves
Encourage
too
me.
much.
Yes. Encourages me. What else?
Clean the house.
Yes, cleans the house. Now let us start the explanation of the poem. 1.3, The Basket Full of Moonlight. Students, now let us first learn about the poet. Let us take some more information about the poet. Sunil Sharma is a bilingual poet who has written over 18 books for children. Bilingual poet म्हणजे द्विभाषिक कवी. So he has written 18 books for children. He has published 3 collections of poetry. 3 collections आहेत, कविता संग्रह आहेत, कवितांचे collections of poetry. 1 collection of short fiction, लघुकथा संग्रह आहे, and edited a few other books. काही पुस्तकांचं त्यांनी संपादन सुद्धा केलेलं आहे. He is the recipient of the UK-based Destiny Poets. He is the recipient of the UK-based Destiny Poets Inaugural Poet of the Year Award. तर UKचा त्यांना हा डेस्टिनी पोएट्स इनॉग्युरल पोएट ऑफ द इयर असा पुरस्कार सुद्धा त्यांना प्राप्त झालेला आहे. अपार्ट फ्रॉम बीइंग अ पोएट, ही इज ऑल्सो अ क्रिटिक अँड ॲन एसेइस्ट. कवी असून सुद्धा ते एक समीक्षक आहेत आणि शिवाय ते एक निबंधकार सुद्धा आहेत. नाव लेट अस स्टडी बास्केट फुल ऑफ मूनलाइट. I am going to read the poem. You have to listen to it carefully. So open page 17. Basket full of moonlight. Oh moon, give me moonlight. Basket full or 2 baskets full with seeds of moonlight. From the city to the village, on the sides of the path, I want to sow many small moons of light. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back as my village is quite far. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cart plies. When my father returns home, I am asleep and he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. Oh moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. Oh moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. Written by Sunil Sharma, translated from Dogri. Now let us start with the explanation. As we have read, the poem Basket Full of Moonlight is originally written in Dogri language by Sunil Sharma. So it is a translation of the original poem Basket Full of Moonlight. तर डोगरी भाषेत सुनील शर्मा यांनी लिहिलेल्या या मूळ कवितेचा अनुवाद आहे. Oh moon, give me moonlight, basket full or 2 baskets full with seeds of moonlight. So this is a very sweet poem in which a child requests the moon to give him a basket or 2 baskets full of seeds of moonlight. अत्यंत रसाळ अशा या कवितेतील लहानगा मुलगा लढिवाळपणे चंद्राला म्हणतो की चंद्रा, मला टोपलीभर चंद्रप्रकाशाचे बी दे, अशी विनंती तो करतोय चंद्राकडे. हे बी तो कशासाठी मागतोय? From the city to my village, on the sides of the path, I want to sow many small moons of light. So the child says that I want to sow the seeds of moonlight along the path from his village to the city, because the path or the road gets covered in darkness after sunset. मुलाच्या गावाकडून शहराकडे जाणारा जो रस्ता आहे तो सूर्यास्तानंतर अंधारून जातो. या रस्त्यावर त्याला चंद्रप्रकाशाचे हे बी पेरायचे आहेत. लेट अस सी द पिक्चर. हाऊ द चाइल्ड हॅज होल्ड द मून इन हिज हँड and he wants to sow these seeds in the soil. You can see here the picture of a child sowing seeds of moonlight in the soil. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back as my village is quite far. So he says that most of the villagers, including the child's father, leave for the city early in the morning to work. And when they return, it is already night. तर मुलाच्या गावाकडून शहराकडे जाणारा जो रस्ता आहे तो सूर्यास्तानंतर अंधारून जातो. या रस्त्यावर त्याला चंद्रप्रकाशाचे बी पेरायचे आहेत. मुलाचे वडील आणि गावातले अनेक लोक दररोज कामासाठी गावातून शहराकडे जातात. आणि म्हणून तो म्हणतो की माझं गाव शहरापासून खूप दूरवर आहे आणि म्हणून मला हे सगळे बी पेरायचे आहेत. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cart plies. Meaning of plies is travel regularly over a particular route. एखाद्या ठराविक मार्गावरून नियमितपणे प्रवास करणे. So he says that there is no means of transportation available in his village. Hence, they have to walk through the dark and dangerous route, which is full of snakes and scorpions. या ठिकाणी या रस्त्यावर वाहतुकीची साधने देखील उपलब्ध नाहीत. कोणतीही बस, कोणतीही कार्ट म्हणजे बुलक कार्ट, बैलगाडी ये जा करत नाही. संध्याकाळी या अंधाऱ्या, भीतीदायक आणि सर्प आणि विंचवाणी भरलेल्या रस्त्यावरून त्यांना घरी परतावे लागते. आणि म्हणून त्याला हे सीड्स ऑफ मूनलाईट, ही वॉन्ट्स दीज सीड्स ऑफ मूनलाईट सो दॅट ही कॅन लाईट द पाथ. ही कॅन सो द सीड्स ऑन बोथ साइड्स ऑफ द पाथ. या रस्त्याच्या दोन्ही बाजूला तो हे बी लावू शकेल आणि त्याची झाडं आल्यानंतर हा अंधारा रस्ता प्रकाशित होऊन जाईल. You can see here a picture of a road which is full of snakes and scorpions. When my father returns home, I am asleep and he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. So he says that when his father returns home, he has gone to sleep. He is asleep. And when he goes back early in the morning, when he leaves home for his work, when his father leaves home for his work, again the poet is sleeping at that time. वडील रात्री येतात तेव्हा पण कवी झोपलेले असतात आणि त्याचे वडील सकाळी लवकर कामावर जातात तेव्हाही ते झोपलेले असतात. ओ मून गिव्ह मी अ बास्केट फुल ऑफ मूनलाईट ऑन लोन. तर कवी काय सांगतायत की मला हा जो कवितेतला मुलगा आहे तो म्हणतो की चंद्रा मला टोपलीभर चंद्रप्रकाश उसना कर्जाऊ दे, उसना दे, कर्जाऊ दे, ऑन लोन. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. So the child feels that if he sows seeds of moonlight along the path, his father would be able to return home early and would have time to tell him fairy tales and stories before he goes to bed. या रस्त्यावर चंद्रप्रकाशाचे बी जर पेरले तर त्या प्रकाशित रस्त्यावरून आपले वडील लवकर घरी येतील आणि आपल्याला परीकथा, गोष्टी सांगू शकतील असे त्या मुलाला वाटते. सो ओ मून गिव्ह मी अ बास्केट फुल ऑफ मूनलाईट. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. आणि म्हणून हा मुलगा म्हणतो की मला रस्त्याच्या दुतर्फा दोन्ही बाजूला म्हणून मुलगा म्हणतो की मला रस्त्याच्या दुतर्फा हे बी लावायचे आहेत जेणेकरून त्याची झाडं उगवतील आणि मला हा रस्ता प्रकाशित करता येईल आणि त्याच्यासाठी तू मला टोपलीभर बी दे असं तो चंद्राकडे मागणी करतो आहे आणि तेही बी मला कर्जाऊ दे. सो हिअर द चाइल्ड रिक्वेस्ट द मून टू लेंड हिम अ बास्केट फुल ऑफ मूनलाइट so that he can sow these seeds of moon on both the sides of the path. You can see the picture here, how the child is imagining that he will sow these seeds and then he will get the trees of moonlight. Moons will grow on the trees. So did you understand the poem, children? Okay. So now let us take evaluation. Let us test what you have understood. We'll take now the questions. So we will take now the margin questions and the English workshop. Are you ready? Before going to the English workshop, I want one of you to read the poem. Yes, Dhaireshil? You read the poem.
O moon, give me moonlight, basket full or 2 baskets full, with the seeds of moonlight. From the city to my village, on the sides of the path, I want to sow many small moons of light. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back. As my village is quite far, the route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cart plies. When my father returns home, I am asleep, and he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. O moon, give me basket full of moonlight on loan. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. I want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path.
Now let us take the English workshop. As you have studied the poem, let us take evaluation part, the English workshop. I am going to share the screen so that you will come to know the questions here. काय दिसतच नाही ते. Question number 1. Can you see here question number 1? Complete the following sentences with the help of the poem. First one. Who will read and complete it?
The child wants to sow small moons of light from the city to his village.
Yes, from the city to his village. Next. Prasad?
Hi, okay, teacher. According to the child, the route of his village is tough and full of snakes and scorpions.
Yes, very good. Third. Vaibhav Kamble?
Yes. The child wants 2 basketful of moonlight on loan.
On loan, yes. Fourth. The child wants to light the dark route so that he is... Balraj?
Father retired early.
So that his father returns early. So that his father returns early. Now question number 2. Write down the describing words used for the following nouns. First one, dash moons.
Small moon.
Small moon.
Small moon. Second, dash route.
Dark route.
Yes.
Tough route.
Tough route. Third, dash village.
My village.
Yes.
My village.
Remote village. And last one, dash morning.
Early morning.
Early.
Early morning.
Early morning. Next question. चौथा प्रश्न का दिसत नाही. Yes. Pick out and write the lines from the poem that prove the following. father reaches home late after dark.
When my father returns home, I am asleep.
When my father returns home, I am asleep. Next, eager to hear fairy tales from his father.
I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him.
Very good. Remove darkness and bring light among the darker paths.
I want to light the dark route.
Okay. Next question. Write as many words as you can using full as suffix. For example, basketful. Next.
Colorful.
Colorful. Very good. Next.
Useful.
Useful. Very good.
Careful.
Next.
Successful.
Beautiful.
Yes. Next.
Harmful.
Harmful. Next.
Careful.
Colorful.
Careful.
Colorful.
Colorful.
Careful.
Careful. Colorful. Next.
Schoolful.
Successful. Yes. Next.
Schoolful.
Glassful.
Spoonful. Yes.
Meaningful.
Meaningful. Very good. Now, next question.
Schoolful.
Now, coming to the next question. Pick out the examples of alliteration and repetition from the poem. So, tell me the example of alliteration. Which line tells us?
Oh, give me moonlight, basketful or two basketfuls.
Yes, give me moonlight, basketful or two basketfuls. Very good. Next.
I want to sow seeds of moon.
I want to sow seeds of moon. Very good. So the sound of letter S is repeated, and that is why it is alliteration. Now coming to next figure of speech, that is repetition. Who will tell me the figure of speech repetition? Example of repetition.
I want to sow many small moon of light.
Very good. I want to sow small moons of light. So here the word small is repeated, and that is why it is called repetition. Now coming to 7th question, write an appreciation of the poem. Yes, who will tell me the title of the poem?
Basketful of moon.
Basket full of moonlight. Very good. The poet.
Sunil Sharma.
Sunil Sharma. Very good. Third one. Rhyme scheme.
There is no rhyme scheme of the.
Yes, there is no rhyme scheme. So it is a
Free verse.
free verse. Very good. It is a free verse. Then coming to figures of speech.
Repetition.
Very good. Repetition
Alliteration.
or alliteration. If you want, you can write the example also of alliteration and repetition. And last one is theme or central idea of the poem.
The central idea of the poem is addressed to the moon. Here in the poem, poet described the village life. The small child in the poem requests the moon to give him basketful of moonlight to dark the route of village.
Very good. Very good. That's it. So you have to write all these question answers in your notebook and keep it ready. Okay. So that's all for today. See you tomorrow for another lesson. Okay. I'm going to leave the room now. Okay. Bye bye. See you.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Bye bye.
Okay.
Bye, teacher. Bye, teacher.
Okay. 1 minute. Stop sharing का होत नहीं. Okay. Yes, I'm going to leave the room now. Bye bye. See you. On this occasion, I thank the whole team of Vidya on Competition, Sri Atri Prakashan and Headmasters Association of Kolhapur District for giving me a chance to present my lesson in this competition. Thank you.